today's episode of Cooking with Tovia, I'm going to show you guys how to make air fried naked chicken wings in my air fryer. Finally got an air fryer, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these simple chicken wings in no time. You'll be able to find all the ingredients you need in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on social media and subscribe and hit the bell with notifications of my uploads on Mondays and Thursdays. If you contact me for business reasons, you'll be able to find that information in the description box. So I have my chicken wings that I've separated and it's here in the bowl, and I got them as dry as I could, and I'm going to pour over a little bit of vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil, and then I have here just some ordinary spices. There's some garlic powder, some chili powder, and some salt and black pepper. Rub all that together. And then we're going to let this sit for a few minutes. So I've been preheating my air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Chicken wings aside. I'm not going to overcrowd my little pot here. So I'm going to put this inside the air fryer, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put these for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to rotate them. So I'm going to set it to 15 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. And look at those. And we're going to get them a flip. And once I flip all these, I'm going to stick them back in for 12 minutes. So it's been 12 minutes, and I'm just using my instant read thermometer. They are at the right temp. So I'm going to remove this from my air fryer basket and set it aside on a platter and let it sit for about 5 minutes or so the juices can go back inside of the chicken. So here's my wings I did in the air fryer, and I just served it here with the cucumber and broccoli for salad here. So the wings are done, and the outside of the skins are nice and crisp. I don't know if you can hear the crunch. So let's give this a taste. Wow. Absolutely delicious, juicy, and simple. Simple to make in your air fryer. Please add this video to your playlist. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my uploads on Mondays and Thursdays at midnight. Stay tuned because I have another recipe coming and another exciting giveaway coming. And please stop by my baking channel, The Sugar Sweet, and subscribe there if you aren't, because I have so many exciting things coming there too. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another.